Hello everyone, this is Tania Quin coming at you with a quick short demo video basically showing you all how I make instant dreads using a crochet hook. In this video you see that I have the customer's hair in between my pointer and my thumb, and while I'm making micro movements with my fingers, with my other hand I'm taking the crochet hook and I'm pushing it in and out of the dread until I create or form a little some type of a bud. Once I feel that I've created a bud, I've moved down the dread until I'm at the end and the lock is complete. I hope this video helped you guys understand how I make my locks, because I've been getting a lot of emails and text messages on how to create it. I hope this video helps. If you guys want to see any more videos, let me know in the comments below. Talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching.